The technique SMART FUE, we have harvested 1000 grafts to fill up in the male pattern hair loss level 2. This is on the left side. Male pattern hair loss level 2. He has receded from ear to ear, deep recession. From ear to ear, he has lost the hair horizontally, wider recession. This triangle is frontal temple angle, and we already fill up to tackle his male pattern hair loss level 2. We use the international guideline to follow the angle, direction and the density so that this area and this area will look the same, homogeneous.
Thank you, Prof. Dato Dr. JasG.